Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students, good morning. Myself Bharathi Nayak, lecturer in mathematics. I welcome you to Christ King online class. Students, now we are going to start a course of mathematics for the class 11 and the first chapter we are going to deal today is sets. Okay. See, this sets is one of the important topic. We'll use this concept in a different field like geometry, sequence or probability, etc. Okay. So first we have to understand what is the meaning of set. Okay. See, according to the definition of this set, a set is a well-defined collection of objects. Okay, a set is nothing but it is a well-defined collection of object. So students, what is the meaning of this well-defined? Well-defined means what? Okay, well-defined means this is a particular in number. That collection must be particular in number. Okay, that collection should not vary from person to person. That must be particular. Okay, so I will consider one example which is a well-defined collection. Okay, see, first example I will consider the set of natural numbers between 2 and 8. Okay, so we have to collect our natural numbers between 2 and 8. Okay, so which are those natural numbers? I can collect which are those natural numbers between 2 and 8. Which natural numbers will exist? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Isn't it? Yes, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 natural numbers which lies in between 2 and 8. Isn't it? Yes. See, if you ask this question with any person, the answer will be same. The answer will be same. It should not vary, isn't it? It will never vary, right? It will be constant, right? Okay. This list will be particular, isn't it? So therefore, this collection is known as a well-defined collection. Okay, so this collection is known as a well-defined collection. Okay, so since it is a well-defined collection, we can call this as a set. Okay, so example 1 is an example for the set. Okay, certainly we can find out some collection which is not well-defined. Okay, so I'll take one example 2. The set of most talented people in the world. Okay, so you have to collect the people which are most talented. Okay, see, is it well defined here? See, you have to select a people who are most talented people in the world, right? Okay, see, if you ask this question with the one person, he may give a list of a few people, most talented people. Okay. So if you ask the same question with another person, the list may vary. It is not necessary that list must be same, right? The list will vary from person to person, right? So therefore, this is not a well-defined. Okay, this is not a well-defined. Okay, since it is not a well-defined, this is not an example for set. Okay, so example 2, this is not an example for the set, but example 1, this is a well-defined collection of object. So therefore, this is an example for a set. So next we will take some questions. Okay, see, which of the followings are sets? Justify your answer. Okay, see, there are 4 examples they have given. So among these 4 examples, which are the examples for sets? Okay, see here the first question is the collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. Okay, see, you have to collect the months of a year which are beginning with the letter J. Okay, so which are those, right? See, I can choose January, isn't it? January will start with the letter J, right? Next, June. June will start with the letter J. Okay, so which are those, right? See, I can choose January, isn't it? January will start with the letter J, right? Next, June. June will start with the letter J. Okay, so which are those, right? See, I can choose January, isn't it? January will start with the letter J, right? Next, Can I choose June? Yes, June will start with the letter J. Next, July. So July will start with the letter J, isn't it? Yes, right? There are 3 months which will start with the letter J, right? Okay. See, this collection is particular in number, isn't it? Yes. And also, can I say this is a well defined collection? Yes. So since it is a well defined collection, so this is an example for set. Okay. So the first one is a set. Okay. So it is a set. The first one is an example for a set. Okay. So why it is a set? Because it is a well defined collection. Okay. This is a well defined collection. So therefore this is an example for a set. Okay. So the second example I will consider the collection of most talented writers of India. Okay. See, most talented. Again the word most talented. So is it a well defined collection? Yes. If you ask this question with one person, he may give a list of most talented people. One list he may give. If you ask the same question with another person, he may give different list. Right? The list will vary from person to person. Right? So again this is not a well defined. Since it is not a well defined collection, it is not an example for set. Okay. So the second one is not an example for set. Okay. So it is not set. It is not set. It is not set. Okay. So again I will consider the third example. Okay. Third question. The collection of all boys in your class. Okay. The collection of all boys in your class. Okay. See, I can get an exact number of boys, those who attend my class, isn't it? Yes, I can get, no? So since it is a well defined collection, again it is a well defined collection, right? This is a well defined collection. So therefore it is an example for a set. Okay, it is an example for a set. It is a set. Okay, it is a set. So the next one, fourth one, the collection of even integer. Collection of even integers, right? We can collect the even integers, right? Which are those even integers? Even integers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, isn't it? We can get a even integer, right? And this is a particular in number, right? If you ask this question with any person, the answer will be same, right? So therefore this is a well defined collection. So since it is a well defined collection, so this is an example for a set. Okay. So the fourth one, once again, it is a set. It is a set. Okay. So once again I will repeat. Okay, the first one, the collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. This is a well defined collection. So therefore it is a set. The first one is a set. The second one, the collection of most talented writers of India. Again the list will vary from person to person. So therefore this is not a well defined. So therefore this is not an example for a set. So the third one I will consider the collection of all boys in your class. Yes, this is a well defined. I can get a exact number of boys, those who attend my class. Okay, so this is a well defined collection. So therefore this is a set. It is a set. Okay. Next the last one, fourth one. The collection of even integers, right? Yes, we can get a even integer, which are those 2, 4, 6, 8 and etc. Right? So once again this is a well defined, so therefore it is a set. Okay. So next I'll consider one note number 1. The objects belongs to this set is called its elements or member of the set. Okay. See, I will consider one example. Okay. So, I will consider one set A is equal to 2, 4 and 6 I will consider. Okay. I will consider one example. Set A is equal to 2, 4 and 6 I will consider. Okay. See here 2, 4, 6. These are the numbers which belongs to the set A, isn't it? Yes. Here 2, 4, 6. These are the 3 numbers which belongs to the set A, isn't it? So therefore these numbers are known as 2, 4, 6. These numbers are known as elements of the set, or we can also call it as members of the set A. Understood, no? The elements or members of the set. Okay, so the object which belongs to the set. Okay, here 2 is one of the number which is belongs to the set A. So therefore that 2 is known as element of the set, or we can also call it as a member of the set A. Okay, yes. So next, note number 2 I will consider. A set is denoted by capital letters. Okay, the set is always denoted by capital letter. Okay, like capital letter A, or we can also denote it by capital letter B or capital letter C. Okay, whatever. Okay, so a set is denoted by capital letters and its elements are denoted by, okay, so its elements are denoted by small letters. Okay, elements are denoted by small letter of the English alphabet. Okay, so set is always denoted by capital letters like capital letter A, capital letter B or capital letter C, as well as its elements are denoted by small letters. Okay, yes. So next I'll consider 2 symbols here. Okay, so this symbol, what is the meaning of this symbol? Okay, so what is the meaning of this symbol? It means belongs to the set. Okay, instead of this word we'll use this symbol. Understood, no? We'll use this symbol. Okay, belongs to the set. Okay, we'll call it as belongs to the set. Okay, so there is another symbol. What is the meaning of this symbol? Does not belongs to the set. Okay, what it means? Does not belongs to the set. Okay, yes. So now I'll consider one question related to these 2 symbols. Okay, see, let A is equal to capital letter A we used here because a set is denoted by capital letters. Okay, set A is equal to set containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, insert the appropriate symbol belongs to the set or does not belongs to the set in the blank space. Okay, yes. So here 6 questions they are given. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 questions are there. Okay, so in the first question, 5 dash A. Okay, so number 5. Whether number 5 belongs to the set A? Yes, 5 is there, isn't it? 5 belongs to the set A. So therefore, among these 2 symbols, which symbol I have to use? Belongs to the set A stands for this symbol, isn't it? So therefore, which symbol I have to write? This one. 5 belongs to the set A because the set contains 5. So therefore, 5 belongs to the set A. Okay. Similarly, we will consider the second one. Okay. So what is that? 8 dash A. Do you have 8 in this list? Is there 8? No, isn't it? So therefore, which symbol I have to write? Does not belongs to this set. Means which symbol? This one. Right? Okay. So next third question. 0 dash A. Okay. Do you have 0 here? In this list, do you have 0? No, right? 0 is not included, right? So therefore, what is the symbol? Does not belongs. Does not belongs. Okay. So next, fourth question I will consider. Okay. 4 dash A. Do you have 4 here? Yes. 4 included, isn't it? So therefore, which symbol belongs to? Belongs to A. Okay. So next, fifth question. 2 dash A. Do you have 2 here? Yes, 2 is included, isn't it? So therefore 2 belongs to A. Okay. Next 10. Okay. Where is your 10? Do you have 10 here? No. Right? So therefore 10 does not belongs to the set A. So therefore which symbol does not belongs to the set A?
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.